working with arguments. Arguments must be enclosed in parentheses. Individual values or cell references inside the parentheses are separated by either colons or commas. Colons create a reference to a range of cells. For example, equal to average of E19 is to E23 would calculate the average of the cell range E19 through E23. Commas separate individual values, cell references, and cell ranges in the parentheses. If there is more than one argument, you must separate each argument by a comma. For example, equal to count, open parentheses, C6 is to C14, comma C19 is to C23, comma C28, close parentheses, will count all the cells in the three arguments that are included in the parentheses. To create a basic function in Microsoft Excel 2010, 1. Select the cell where the answer will appear. 2. Type the equal sign and enter the function name, sum, for example. 3. Enter the cells for the argument inside the parentheses. 4. Press enter and the result will appear. Using AutoSum to select common functions. The AutoSum command allows you to automatically return the results for a range of cells for common functions like sum and average. 1. Select the cell where the answer will appear. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. In the Editing group, click on the AutoSum drop-down arrow and select the function you desire. Average, for example. 4. A formula will appear in the selected cell. If logically placed, AutoSum will select your cells for you. Otherwise, you will need to click on the cells to choose the argument you desire. 5. Press enter and the result will appear. The AutoSum command can also be accessed from the Formulas tab. Function Library. There are hundreds of functions in Microsoft Excel 2010, but only some will be useful for the kind of data you're working with. There is no need to learn every single function, but you may want to explore some of the different kinds to get ideas about which ones might be helpful to you as you create new spreadsheets. A great place to explore functions is in the Function Library on the Formulas tab. Here you may search and select Microsoft Excel 2010 functions based on categories such as financial, logical, text, date and time, and more. Click the buttons in the interactive below to learn more. Insert a function from the Function Library. 1. Select the cell where the answer will appear. 2. Click on the Formulas tab. 3. From the Function Library group, select the function category you desire. In this example, we will choose date and time. 4. Select the desired function from the Date and Time drop-down menu. We will choose the Network Days function to count the days between the order date and receive date in our worksheet. 5. The Function Arguments dialog box will appear. Insert the cursor in the first field and then enter or select the cell or cells you desire. 6. Insert the cursor in the next field and then enter or select the cell or cells you desire. 7. Click OK and the result will appear. Our results show that it took 6 days to receive the order. Insert function command. The insert function command is convenient because it allows you to search for a function by typing a description of what you're looking for or by selecting a category to peruse. The insert function command can also be used to easily enter or select more than one argument for a function. Using the insert function command. In this example, we want to find a function that will count the total number of supplies listed in the office supply order log. The basic count function only counts cells with numbers. We want to count the cells in the office supply column, which uses text. Therefore, we will need to find a formula that counts cells with text. 1. Select the cell where the answer will appear, A27, for example. 2. Click on the Formulas tab and select the Insert Function command. 3. The Insert Function dialog box will appear. 4. Type a description of the function you're searching for and click Go. For our example, we will type Count cells with text. You may also search by selecting a category. 5. Review the results to find the function you desire. We will use Count A, then click OK. 6. The function arguments dialog box will appear. Insert the cursor in the first field and then enter or select the cell or cells you desire. Insert the cursor in the next field and then enter or select the cell or cells you desire. You may continue to add additional arguments if needed. 8. Click OK and the result will appear. Our results show that 14 total supplies were ordered from our log. Sorting data. With more than 17 billion cells in a single worksheet, Microsoft Excel 2010 gives you the ability to work with an enormous amount of data. Arranging your data alphabetically from smallest to largest or other criteria can help you find the information you're looking for more quickly. In this lesson, you will learn how to sort data to better view and organize the contents of your spreadsheet. Sorting is a common task that allows you to change or customize the order of your spreadsheet data. For example, you could organize an office birthday list by employee, birth date, or department, making it easier to find what you're looking for. Custom sorting takes it a step further, giving you the ability to sort multiple levels such as department first, then birth date, to group birth dates by department, and more. To sort in alphabetical order. 1. Select a cell in the column you want to sort by. In this example, we will sort by last name. 2. Select the Data tab and locate the Sort and Filter group. 3. Click the Ascending command to sort A to Z, or the Descending command to sort Z to A. 4. The data in the spreadsheet will be organized alphabetically. Sorting options can also be found on the Home tab, condensed into the Sort and Filter command. To sort in numerical order. 1. Select a cell in the column you want to sort by. 2. From the Data tab, click the Ascending command to sort smallest to largest, or the Descending command to sort largest to smallest. 3. The data in the spreadsheet will be organized numerically. To sort by date or time. 1. Select a cell in the column you want to sort by. 2. From the Data tab, click the Ascending command to sort oldest to newest, or the Descending command to sort newest to oldest. 3. The data in the spreadsheet will be organized by date or time.